Because Maghrib is upon us. Is a woman allowed to go out on jihad?
Question posed is that can a woman go to jihad? Jihad means to strive, to struggle. She is supposed to do jihad every day of her life. Jihad means to strive, to struggle. The best form of jihad today is to convey the message of Islam to the non-Muslim. I know what the sister is mainly referring to. Is referring to can she go to war? That form of jihad. There's a hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 4, hadith number 2784, when the wife of the Prophet, Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she asked the Prophet that should we go for jihad? The Prophet said, the best jihad for you is perfect Hajj. So he told his wife, the best jihad for you is to perform perfect Hajj. Depending upon the situation, if the women, they feel they can nurse, they can do first aid and they can provide water, there is a full chapter in Sahih Bukhari that women did take part in battlefield, providing water, providing first aid, etc. There are chapters, but depending upon the situation. But once the Prophet told his wife, the best jihad for you is to perform perfect Hajj. To depend on the situation. But the best jihad is jihad against your own evil inclination. Jihad to make the society better, which every Muslim, whether man or woman, should continue doing, and even the woman should continue doing. Hope that answers the question. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.